Good day, everyone. Today we'll be presenting our research about pragmatism, a philosophical perspective under the subject science, technology, and society.
I'm James Cyrus Torres.
I'm Graciel Manguera Quijada.
And I am Rachel Ortiz, San Francisco. And we're excited to share with you what we have learned about how pragmatism connects with science, technology, and human condition.
So first, we define what is pragmatism. Pragmatism is a philosophical approach that focuses on practical results and usefulness in real life. It teaches that truth is not fixed, but changes as people test ideas through experience and action. This philosophy was first developed by Charles Sanders Peirce, who said that the meaning of an idea depends on practical consequences.
Later, William James expanded the idea, saying the truth is what works best in helping people solve problems and live better lives. And John Dewey, another well-known pragmatist, applied these ideas to education and society. He believed that we learn best through experience and knowledge should always be useful in improving life.
In short, pragmatism values action and results over theory. Parang sinasabi nito na ang mahalaga, gumagana ba ito sa totoong buhay?
So next, pragmatism and science. Pragmatism and science are closely related because both value experience, experimentation, and practical results more than absolute truths. According to John Dewey, science is the best example of the pragmatic method since both aim to solve real-life problems through observation and experimentation.
Do we believe that knowledge is not something static or permanent? Instead, it grows and changes as people test ideas in real life situations. He also saw science as a tool to improve society, education, and human life by using evidence and experience.
So, both pragmatism and science focus on learning from experience and applying knowledge to make life better. Kumbaga, hindi lang puro theory, dapat may application sa real world. So, next po.
So now we move on to pragmatism and technology. Pragmatism and technology are deeply connected because both emphasize action, experimentation, and practical results rather than just an abstract ideas. According to William James, truth depends on usefulness and success in real life situations. Similarly, technology is about applying knowledge that has been tested and proven effective to make life better.
He also said that knowledge becomes meaningful only when it helps people solve problems and adapt to their environment. This idea connects to how technology constantly evolves to meet human needs through innovation and improvement.
Pragmatism views technology not just as machine or tools, but as a living process from continuous improvement, testing, learning, and refining ideas based on real world experiences.
So next, pragmatism and the human condition. When it comes to the human condition, Charles Sanders Peirce explained that life is full of uncertainty and people constantly search for reliable knowledge. He believed that we make sense of life by performing beliefs that can be tested through experience and practical consequences.
Pragmatism helps us deal with life's complexity through inquiry, experimentation, and adaptation instead of relying assumptions or untested truths.
So, in short, pragmatism teaches humans to make sense of life, solve problems, and act wisely in an ever-changing world. Parang sinasabi nito na matuto tayong kumilos base sa karanasan, hindi sa teorya.
And that concludes our presentation about pragmatism, a philosophical perspective.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you learned something meaningful today. Thank you.